you can turn around upstream.
Look over here. It's video time.
Good morning. How's everybody today?
You're looking pretty good there.
Wonderful day.
It is.
I can't believe how green everything is. It's a wonderful day in the neighborhood.
Well, let's start at the beginning. We drove Highway 50 to Utah and stopped in Austin, Nevada for lunch. We got a motel and had dinner in Ely, Nevada. The next day we were stopped by state police on Highway 50. They had a large truck with a wide load. Dan was having an issue with his truck, so we stopped for a repair. Well, that didn't last long. Back to the repair shop. Of course, we had to stop at junk shops along the way. We finally made it to Moab, Utah. The next morning, we checked in with Texas River Tours, loaded our gear onto their trailer, but not without argument. We had too much gear. Then we started the drive down to the Green River put-in. The road to Mineral Bottom is a hoot.
Yeah, I'm taking video. It's gonna come out, but I'll take it.
It was set that way.
I'll put a little bit of the dash into it to give it depth of field. Get it.
We loaded our canoes and started down the river in Canyonlands National Park. The first night's camp, after dinner, it started to rain.
Get the probie.
No, this has been hours. I'm parched.
You know what that's called?
Bush.
No, it has a name. Called lupin.
I know what.
You know what? You go to the coast, those rings there, the lupin, same plant. These huge, gigantic bushes.
That was kind of after Jurassic Park. Yeah. What's Joe doing? Checking out something. Hi, Ron. Hi, Ronnie.
2 clicks out.
Over here that are faded.
Oh, but those are eyes. If you step back here, you can see the head behind it
Oh, yeah, you can.
with kind of an antennae or horns
Okay.
on each side.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
That looks like a musical band, doesn't it? But look at, they have tails.
I wonder if this circle's wrong.
Think the kids made those?
You miss your China pony?
Yeah.
Crazy different assortment.
Better one, Colonel.
Looks like Chris bailed on us.
No, Chris and Peggy are way ahead.
Oh.
They got into it.
I bet you.
Shit, you're right. That one looks like a freaking spaceship. Look at that guy. Cool, huh?
She's like the bringer of corn.
See the one on this wall? You get up there and he's got like big cannons. It looks like it's like a long neck.
Good find.
Look at right there is a Cheropolis.
This guy was the first, let's see, the first podiatrist. This is a foot. Okay. This looks like the Rolling Stones stump.
Where's the fireman?
Yes, it is. Oh no, God! I swear I was just thinking of that. You mean on the album?
Yeah.
Because only Kiss has a guy, the lead singer. Kiss has a tongue of
He's not the lead singer. He's the bassist.
Well, you know what I'm talking about.
You know what I'm?
And there it goes with the rest of it. I got a puzzle here. No.
Some of them look like they've been. Maybe after the fact.
Got your souvenir, John. A bassist. They're busy.
Yeah, get it on film.
I think they were pretty high on peyote in this. They did this.
Scorpion.
Is this where the spaceship is, Ron?
No.
Where? So how is that one little one? Yeah, put it in your pocket. You know what happens when you've done 4 or 5 of these trips? All those rocks really have significance. It doesn't bring that back. Well, I think what changes color in here. I like it. It can be if you want it to. You just have to really concentrate.
Oh, look at this. Hold it. This is another one's kind of like a vein.
There you go. Put it in your pocket.
Ooh, big lizard.
Look at rocks. Is this what they call jasper, I guess?
But look at that tail. That's a long tail. But yeah, those flowers are gorgeous.
How old do you think that plant is?
Well, that's a good question.
See in the center where it looks like some of them, have died off or.
Would
Is that how you compress it, Sarah?
Would you mind swearing a little at each other just to add a little flavor to this movie?
Nothing to swear about, man. Oh, here comes another camper. Here, there's another camper.
And here's
A happy camper.
Good morning, Colonel.
Hey, have you got your whole bag there? Is that it? Oh.
No, I got my tent bag.
Oh. Oh, here we go. They might start swearing at each other any minute. Hold on. Things are getting testy.
To get all the air out.
Yeah, get all the air out. Things are getting testy.
Push it down. Shake it.
Things are getting testy here. Get testy.
Stuff it in there.
That's what she said.
I don't think it's in.
Is it in yet?
I can't tell. That's the best of all.
Are you done? Well, just till you get to it. After that, I'll leave. No, I'm not that rotten. Don't take your pants down yet until I turn around.
was a great canoe trip. Thanks everybody for coming. We also rescued 2 canoes on the way out. For God's sakes, folk, get a lesson.